Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Mr. Ballmer's YouTube videos. Today I present you, as you can see here, the Earth and some satellites. Everything space here. As you can see, a lot of things, a lot of points around the Earth. This is actually all supposed to be all tracked objects which have been put into space by humans. Let's zoom out a little bit that you got a glimpse. There are objects which are closer. As you can see, and there are objects which are further away. So we have a lot of objects flying around the Earth here. And what I show you here is, as the website is stuff.space. I will post a link in the description below for you to see. And everything you can see here is moving. That means we can zoom in and get actual data of the objects. So let's go closer. Let's see. As you can see, the objects are moving. See? Everything is moving. Every object here is moving. Well, probably some are stationary, but the most objects are moving around. You can see they're moving, so this is actual data, and it should be in real time. That means when some objects, like a satellite, is flying here over your place on Earth, as you can see the Earth, this is like Europe here, America, South America, we have Africa here, India, China, or Asia in general, we have Japan, and this is actually all in real time, supposed to be in real time. Okay, let's zoom in for a satellite which is about flying over Europe here. So there's the satellite. Okay, I picked it. It's flying, as you can see here. This one I picked. It's flying with 7.07 kilometers a second. Here you get the data about, that's the debris actually. So let's get another one. Here's one coming. 7.44 kilometers a second, the height, the altitude. Payloads with top-A. So how about this one? Starlink. Oh yeah, let's look all the Starlink satellites up for a moment. Starlink, and you can see the Starlink satellites. This is like the grid, which is actually established by the 23rd, Thursday the 23rd of July in the year 2020. All right. That's what you can see. The blue lines are showing the ways, the path of the satellites. The satellites are highlighted like this. And we have more or less satellites flying. If we go closer, you could probably see more. So we got some satellites here. Go through them, we can see the data, and these are probably one of the newest ones here, 2020. I think there are more here, for example. For example, they are flying like behind or above each other. If I click, I can see all the data. A 7.69 kilometers a second. See the satellite trail here. Oh, that's a fast one. That's a very fast one. What is this? Did I get that right? 6.47 kilometers. It showed us fast, but they're flying, seems to be flying faster. It's relatively to the angle. And that's debris. So let's go to the Starlink satellite again. One of them. So this is like the satellite trail. You can see they're coming here. And this is all in real time. So they're actually flying soon over a part of India here, I guess. Northwest. And then over China. Probably. Yeah. So it's a long trail here of some of them, as you can see. Yeah. And yeah, let's go to others here. There are a lot of traffic. Some kind of satellites which are flying over the north. And we have satellites which are further away here. Let's pick one of them. 3.07 kilometers a second. So you can see quite a lot of objects, near Earth objects or low Earth objects. Leo, this is this one. So as closer the satellites are to the Earth, like Starlink or actually communication satellites, probably as lower the latency should or will be. Probably, yeah. So we have quite a lot which are near to the Earth, as you can see here, and more right, like in a line here around, and then we have some which are much further away, like this one. Quite far. 163,265 kilometer away. That's quite a distance, but it's coming close again, like in an elliptical way, elliptical path. Here, coming down, gain momentum, speeding up, probably then going out again. So we have a lot of objects who are doing this. Rocket body, special rocket bodies doing that, like an elliptical orbit. So this is a part to show you that you can see this live. The description, as I said, I will post and should stand in the description below. And this is how you can track real time, how you can track objects in real time around the Earth. This is one source you can do that for free. And as I said, everything is moving, as you can see. So it should be real time with real time data. Yep. So around 400-500 kilometers is where you can see objects which are closer to the Earth. That's quite a low one flying here. And then we have groups like the GPS groups. This is the Global Positioning System, the American satellite system, or American. The Global Positioning System, as you can see, is like this around the Earth, and that's where you can connect to satellites around the planet. This is just one of them. Let's go to another group. Iridium satellites. The GLONASS, the Russian global position, or the Russian positioning system. Then we have Galileo, the European one. Just a part of it. Much further away, but somehow aligned in a way that you can very precisely locate, or actually very precisely locate where you are on the planet. This in orbit that is like here 23,241.12 kilometers above the Earth, flying with 3.67 kilometers per second. So this is just one of it. So let's see other ones. Iridium 33 constellation debris. That means debris. Quite a lot of debris, and also quite low. And the data when there's since quite a long time debris flying around. So I think in the future it would be great that you could even attach some micro thrusters to some debris and then precisely deorbit them into the Earth atmosphere in a way, or may bring them back, or they got destroyed by entering the Earth atmosphere, or bringing them down at a safe place where you can pick them up. So it should be possible to bring actually all the debris which should be brought back at a safe place like in the ocean, and then pick them up. That is like, because we cannot just only start rockets and put them something into space, right? We should bring them safely back. Actually, we should bring everything safely back, and we can do this with some thrusters, micro thrusters, and calculate the entry, exactly the entry, like into the sea, and then pick them up. Because one day, and it's getting, we need to look at this. I mean, let's look at some kind of debris here. It's like space. So this is a kind of space debris. That means we need to clean up space somehow in the future, That should be smarter and attach thrusters and precisely control or automate bring them back to where you safely where you can pick them up. So it's like cleaning up space. And here we have SpaceX debris. As I said, mostly rocket parts. This is like a rocket body, which is flying also in an elliptical orbit, or in an elliptical path around the planet. And yeah, everything should be brought back safely. So this is about stuff in space, and this all in real time. So this is just another video that you can see how you get some information, things which you've probably never seen before. And that's for the video now. I hope you could see something exceptional, something which you can access to on your computer, on your smartphone or your tablet or laptop. I use the computer to record those videos and show it to you. So that's it for the moment. Thank you very much for listening. If you like, subscribe to my channel to see more. Just click on subscribe if you like. You can like if you like, and you can share my videos also that other people can see things they've never seen before. Thank you very much, and as always, peace in.